altcoins break or make moment. Guys, I am here. I'm bringing you this show. We have gotten everything right yesterday. I hope that you protected yourself from this dump. There is a massive, massive opportunity cooking in my opinion. The question really is whether it's happening right now or it's happening a little bit later. Or oh, sorry about this. Happening a little bit later. I'm a little bit all around the place. I'm sorry about this. I want to bring you alpha, but then at the same time, I have a billion things to do and I'm going to Dubai and this is why I'm a little bit late. And then in half an hour, management meeting starts. So I have to jump very soon, but I really want to bring you the alpha. That's why we do this show. I appreciate every single one of you who are here. Thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, it's usually a little more chilled and just a little more, but we are here and we are doing it. So let's really go. Guys, let me know if you're here in the chat. Let's go. Good morning. Fuck the thumbs guy down. I don't have a thumbs guy down now. Good day, everybody. We're going to zero. Of course, Couple was right. Wanted to get an early ask if we can look at this coin. Yes, we can. Panic, yes. Hey, Banter fam, yes. What's up? No, I bought more BTC than sold. That's what's up. Don't worry, bruv. Stefan is going at it. It's like the thumbs guy is sucking orange. Bro, I'm happy to have you here, man. All right, guys, let's jump into it. So here we go. First of all, I want to tell you that the ticker is 𝗕𝗘𝗙. But other than that, let's look at the charts. So I want to bring you this. I tweeted this. If you follow me on Twitter, you know this. And start taking this. You don't want to close below. This is from yesterday. This is from yesterday's live. When Bitcoin goes up and it starts taking this, you don't want to close below a 15 or a 5-minute order block. If you close below a proper 15 or 5-minute order block, that shows you that the market is going to go down. So if that happens above the 50% level, which is currently 67,000 right now, if you see a lower low being formed on the 15-minute or the 5-minute, potentially a strong lower low. So something like this, market goes like this, and then you see this. 50% retrace, get out of their positions. I'm not selling spot, but get out of your positions. And if you want to gamble, you can take a short position. But when Bitcoin goes up and it starts taking this, you don't want to close below a 15 or a 5-minute order block. So if that happens above the 50% level, which is currently 67,000 right now, 50% retrace, get out of their positions. I'm not selling spot, but get out of your positions. When Bitcoin goes up, so here's why it's important. This is why I showed you the whole thing. This is when this was yesterday's show. Here, literally, we were down here. And why this is important is because I don't have the capacity. I always say I want to give you fish, guys. I don't want to. I don't want to give you fish. I want to teach you how to fish because I'm not going to be here at all times, and I'm not going to be available on my phone. I had to run all around yesterday as well, and I couldn't update. I mean, I actually did update you because I tweeted out here. Everybody was getting bullish and whatever that is, and people were saying, remember the show, guys. We can reverse anytime BTC went above premium again. Don't get too confident. That was around when we went above premium. So this is what we talked about. This was the premium level at 67,000. This is exactly where I started tweeting, and I was waiting for this to be broken. That low didn't break. We went higher. That low didn't break. We went higher, and eventually what we saw, we went higher. And this is, I was telling you, we are coming back for this OB. So if you are returning, you have been expecting this. If you watch the content, if you're not subscribed to the channel, smash the like, guys. If you are watching on Twitter, please, for the sake of everything, come to YouTube, please. It takes you a click of a button, and you can like on YouTube as well. And I already have 70 people watching on YouTube and only 28 likes, so obliterate that, please. It helps the algo. So, and then I was like, okay, so we gotta wait for this low to be broken for us to confirm the reversal. And this is what I explained, exactly what I explained. And then we got that. We got a clear break. It's not kinda, it's not a wick, it's not a liquidity hunt, it's a break. You get a break below that level, which is obviously a strong low. And what did I say? Pull the 50% fib, and when we get back above 50%, get out of your positions. This is exactly what I explained. Look what happens. We get back 50%, get out of your positions. Close your longs, close everything. If you followed this, you would have gotten out of all the positions that we took yesterday on profit, all of them. And then obviously what happens is, as I said, get out of the positions, then you have the break below, and then we're going down, and that's what we are seeing now. The question really is, and I also tweeted, if you follow this content, you know that this here is called a liquidity buildup. That's fantastic, guys. We are potentially going higher. I don't want to scream wolf until we actually see the wolf. But it does seem like we are going higher. We have created relative equal highs here. Very, 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 very good. So the blow of top scenario that I've been talking about yesterday, 71,728, is still in the cards, or even higher, we have to see. But for now, what I can see is that if we protect the 65,000 level, we have to protect this level. If we protect this level, we are safe. This is the decision point. We also got into a long position here on a couple of days ago. So if you took that, you're also up like 5-6%. So depending on what leverage you took it at. But anyway, we are building up massive liquidity here. And this liquidity tells me that we are going to push. That means that if you look at the 1 hourly chart, this here can be considered a strong level. Here's why it is, and here's why it isn't. It is a strong level because we have built up big inefficiencies. We took internal liquidity. We didn't really leave a lot of liquidity behind. So this should be a great level. Also, the inefficiency is being filled now here. The fair value gaps are being filled here. And technically, we could be seeing a reversal from here and pushing to the 71,700 region. The reason why I don't think that can be an issue here and it's not a strong level is because this did not really take any highs on a higher time frame. So if you look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour chart, this is nothing. This is literally just a retrace to the bearish order block. It's actually literally a retrace to the bearish order block. Look at this. This is the beginning of the inefficiency. It literally came back to the 4 hour order block up there. Touched on there and it is moving down now. So unfortunately, again, as yesterday I said, we still yet have to see what is going to happen. What I want to see here is, and I made a huge mistake. If you want, it's not nice to admit these things. It's not nice. It's a big fuck up. I lost about $5,000 yesterday. It's a huge amateur fucking mistake. If you want me to give you this, I want to get to 70 likes. And I'm not even kidding. We are at 40 now, but I see 90 people watching on YouTube. So if you want to know what's the lesson and how I lost $5,000 yesterday, even though I got the market completely right, let me know, okay? Let me know by smashing the like button, and then I can deep dive into it. If you're watching on Twitter, you got to come to YouTube, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and then I can deep dive into the how I lost this money, right? Because I think it's a great learning. It's a very, very good learning. Let's see the subscribers as well. We are at 3.3 thousand. Let's go. Kyle Chessie posted the other day that I should go on his show once a week. Like, what the fuck? That would be absolutely incredible. I got to get the approval from Rem, but it would be absolutely insane, guys. It would be wow. It would be wild. Anyway, things are taking off. And I don't know if I can say this. I actually don't know if I can say this. Yeah, so if we get, I don't want to get into trouble. If we get to 80 likes, I tell you something. I haven't told it to anybody yet. I mean, it's not, some people know it at Banter. Not even everybody knows it at Banter. So if you want to know that secret, we gotta get to 80. We gotta get to 80. Okay, so liquidity built up on here. Let's look at some of the tokens that we were trading yesterday. Absolutely fucked. I had stop losses on. It was long here, yes. So if you sold where I said watch out for the 50%, you would have gotten out around here before this major dump. So RUNE absolutely fucked. I am still in this trade. I'm down like $2,000. We're almost at 70. So if you smash through 70, I can tell you how I lost $5,000. Yeah, I'm down 2.5K. Yeah, so this was, I'm still expecting a reversal. RUNE has to reverse. I'm actually planning on doubling down. We took this internal liquidity here, potentially gonna close below here and then show a higher high. It will have to rip, in my opinion. We yet to see. Everything is, obviously we yet to see, because we need to see Bitcoin behaving here. I think it will, because of the liquidity built up, because of the market structure up here, because of the induced OB up here at 71,700. So I think we are going to see a push and then potentially a major dump down to 55, 58. But we have to take it level by level. Let's look at TON. TON doesn't give a fuck. So TON is like going up. Then we talked about AR. I got out of AR. I managed to get out of AR in profit. So that was when again this was where the whole Bitcoin 5-minute market structure shift happened and I got out of AR. Or did, no, there was a stop loss, sorry. There was a stop loss. I moved my stop here and it got me out there. So I didn't get out manually. But I got out in profit or in bear cave and something like that. Then we can look at a lot of alts, but I want to tell you because we smashed 72 likes. So I want to tell you what happened. As I always promise you, I am going to be transparent in this channel and that's what we're going to do. And if I have a losing day, I'm going to tell you because that's part of the game. And I don't want to, I hate when I promise myself when I wanted to say when I became an influencer, but I don't know if I'm an influencer, but when I decided to do this YouTube channel, I decided that I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. And that's what I'm going to do. So what happened is that yesterday, as you see, this is why I'm actually also very happy that I do these shows because I can confirm to myself that I was actually right. It was my execution that was the problem. So when you become a trader, you will start learning about yourself and you will start learning about your execution. Even if you have a perfect strategy, you can still lose money. Look at this. I've been trading, I'm profitable, I have a great strategy, I understood the markets, I knew exactly what's happening, I called it on the show, then I called it on Twitter, yet I lost. How? How the fuck is that possible? Well, it's possible because I bought the iPhone, right? So I got myself an iPhone and I went home and I was like, okay, I'm gonna hook my iPhone with it. So I have my studio, that's the other thing. Like you can't really trade, if you wanna trade like me, you always have to carry. I have an iPad that I carry, that I have my charts on and whatever. And I didn't bring my iPad because I was like, it's not a problem. I'm going to leave it in the studio. I'll go back if I have to. But then I spent time with my family and whatever. And I took my new iPhone home and I started syncing the two iPhones together. And I did not realize that it will take fucking 10 hours to sync the two iPhones. So what happened is that at 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the night, I started syncing the two iPhones. And it said it's going to be an hour. And I was like, okay, no problem. I can handle till an hour. And I don't have my iPad with me, so I can't see the market. And my other phone is locked. So I was like, okay, no problem. And then I get to after an hour, but it didn't tell me that it's not gonna take a break after an hour, but it's gonna move on immediately to the second phase, which is like downloading the whatever. And it downloaded that shit, and then it said it's 12 hours till the two iPhone syncs. But I've already been like 2 hours in, so I was like, I don't wanna stop this. And then I wanted to come to the studio, but it was already like midnight or half past midnight. And I was like, I was like so tired to come to the studio. That's the honest truth. And I did not expect the market to dump this hard. I expected to have some kind of dump, but I didn't expect it to dump this hard. And yeah, I had my stop losses that got triggered on AR. I had my stop loss moved up. On TON, we didn't hit a stop loss, but on SUI, I got hammered on SUI. And on, I don't know what was the other one. Anyway, it doesn't matter, but I got hammered on some of the trades. And so what I want to say here is that don't be stupid like me with this. Don't be. If you're trading, if you're in a trade, don't screw around. Have something with you. Always make sure that you have your phone, you have your iPad, you have your computer next to you. And if you understand what the market will do, or if you follow through. Don't trade. I took it, and yesterday was the first time in a very long time when I felt, when I was very big down, very bad. I was depressed down, and I recorded a lot of videos for myself on my phone. Just so I can remember, because I always had faith that things gonna change, Nothing is constant. Things are going to change for the better. And I knew that I'm gonna get into the same position I was, and yesterday was the first time when I started to forget those videos. So I told myself I have to check. Also because of this morning is confirmed that losing $5,000 was fucking, it would have wrecked me, I don't know, a year ago. It would be like crazy. Wouldn't even possible, So, and now, I mean, I'm not happy about it, but it's not gonna affect my life because it's the bull market and everything is flying and everything is great and meme coins are fucking exploding and but it's just not, it's just very important to not take it like I took it. If you want to trade, fucking take it seriously, or take it as a gamble and only put in money that you really, truly, genuinely can afford to lose. Like my 𝗕𝗘𝗙 account, right? If this happens on a major account, it's a problem. But I just wanted to raise a flag and say, hey, just focus there and whatever. Let me look at the chat. I don't know. Now maybe maybe the subscriber numbers go down. I told everybody I lost. Oh, we actually went up. Nice. But I told you guys, I'm gonna be honest. That's the truth. Like, good morning. Smiling some good lungs. Yes, we're gonna talk about that in a second. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Click the like button, guys. Yo, 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 yo. Let's look at the... Honestly, been watching for a week now, and my TA has 𝗕𝗘𝗢. I really appreciate all your work. You're very welcome. I literally saw it playing out, but I had to buy more salt to fund my meme coin bot trading, which is providing profitable. Okay, back to McDonald's for me. Yes. Let me look at Max Payne. Yes. That one was exciting. Yes, 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 yes. I lost on all of those yesterday. Wasn't close to my chart. Yes. SUI, yes. Yes, exactly. That's the problem. Honest is the best. Yes, you know, that's what I wanna do here. Shouldn't take 10 hours unless you have used most of the hard drive up. Something not right about that. It literally took 12 hours. Literally took me 12 hours to complete the whole process. No, not 12 hours. I finished at 8 o'clock in the morning and started at like 10. Yeah. It's 10, yeah. What is it? It's 8. What is this? 8, 10, it's 8 hours, yeah. Okay. Battle on the road, nice. It's hard, but never, yes, exactly. If it was easy, then it wouldn't be worth it. I 100% agree. Agreed. CryptoVol, come to YouTube. Come to YouTube, man. It helps the algo, helps me as well. It's nice to see you on live. All been there. Just subscribe. Nice. No blaming. Nice. That's trading. Exactly. Humble words. I'm gonna just keep it real. Everyone loses. Not Larry though. 100% honestly why I follow. Love the honest. I'm sticking around. 8 likes, time for the news, boss. I'm gonna tell you the news. In the last couple of hours, we see market dip and reversal. Is there a way to know it's not a reversal? It will be a reversal, in my opinion. WNS model of histogram. Yeah, exactly. We can look at Floki. Good morning. Can you talk about the Degen wallet? We can. Okay. So let's look at what I'm thinking, what I'm eyeing, what I'm expecting. So first of all, I didn't sell my RUNE. We have to see a bounce on RUNE. I don't know when, but we have to see a bounce. I didn't want to close I closed my SUI in a big loss, like a big loss, and I didn't want to write off my RUNE because I can leverage down, as I said. But I was in such a big loss on SUI, and it's keep falling that I didn't want to keep that open. Although I hear very good fundamental things about SUI and during token 2049, so I will definitely. Oh, so I also explained this yesterday. Do you remember? I even said that we are going to. It has to smash through. I even said that my mind says that we are going to smash through, but my TA says that we're going to smash through, but my mind says that we're going to go up. I don't know if you remember. If you can go back to the channel, there are timestamps under the video. You can look back as well. But I didn't wanna. It was such a big loss. I didn't want to keep this open. Let's look at what I'm eyeing. So I think what we are seeing right now, we are seeing liquidity built up. If we hold 65,000, we're good. I want to see a liquidity sweep, potentially down to the 65,777 region, and show a reaction from there. I think that's what's gonna happen. And then we're gonna push hard. Now you have to be ready. Because this is gonna be an opportunity of a fucking lifetime. Maybe if we bounce at 65,777 and we show a higher high, a market structure shift, we're gonna at least 71,700, at least. But potentially higher. If we don't hold and if we don't show a reaction, we're going to 58, 50, 55, 58, 55. I don't care about any of these. It doesn't matter. This level, if this level doesn't hold, maybe we step above 40, 64. I don't think so. Maybe, but I don't think so. We are potentially going down all the way down to like the sub 60s if this doesn't hold, in my opinion at least. But we will take it level by level. Let me know what coins you want me to look at. I still got some time. Guys, I've seen 90. Oh, the news. We've got 90 likes. But 122 people watching. Please smash the like. It really does help the algo and helps me and eventually helps you. Next time we'll do them together. We can talk about it. What's Gummy? Gummy is gonna be an airdrop. There is a link in the description. Check it out. Banter is launching an airdrop, a meme coin, which will be airdrop to the community. You have to sign up with my link. There is in the description. All the links are down in the description. You sign up to Blowfin, you sign up to Evo, and you sign up to Bybit, and you are qualifying immediately if you deposit $100. Yes, potentially. We'll see. Was hello from Kyle's Alpha Group. Hey. Can crypto hit 50 trillion market cap before 2030? Can. I think it can. Great show. Great to have you here. Okay, news. Let's go. So here's the thing. Don't hold me to this, okay? Don't hold me to this. I'm telling you now, if someone's gonna DM me, but you said this and it's not happening, and then I'm gonna be freaking out. So we are potentially launching a school with Banter. Me and Banter. Me and Crypto School. It will not be TA. It will not be TA, but it will be a course on everything basics for crypto. So first we got to do that, and then we'll see how TA goes. But what we're gonna do is that we potentially, maybe somehow ever, maybe, we are launching a school which will be about getting into crypto, best stuff, and how everything works. I don't know if you already know that stuff, but that's the idea here. That's the news. So I am potentially stepping into the whole school thing with Banter. We have to see how it goes, and then potentially launching a complete separate TA school where I teach you everything I know about trading. So that's kind of getting there. But again, so many stuff, but that's the idea, and we are going to execute on it. I will keep you posted when I have more info and when I can say more and whatever that is, but that's what it is. By market again, we will sure know if New York pushes us down or up. New York should push us down. If New York doesn't push us down, we are fucked. If New York does this, we are fucked. We're big time fucked. This is not gonna get taken. We need this liquidity to stay here for us to be able to confirm that we are going to go up later. We need this liquidity to stay here. We should not close above anywhere here before New York open if we want to confirm a reversal. So it's very, very important. Your TA is awesome. You have to teach. Yes. You gotta ping Ren. You gotta ping Ren on Twitter. Sounds great. Banter Bubble is here. Okay, great. Let's look at send me your charts. Let's look at some longs together. So I'm eyeing Solana. I think this can be an opportunity to get into positions that you can potentially hoard for new all-time highs. This is literally where we are right now. So I believe that we have a potential to get very, very great long positions. First of all, I'm eyeing Solana. I have been marking this level on my chart forever now. I think we need to see a 50% retrace on Solana, and 155 would be the level that I would be looking at. Around this region, around this region would be like 100 and what is it? Between 155 and 141. This would be the area that I would be looking at. What can also be happening is that it literally just comes back down to this OB down here. It takes liquidity from here, so around 159, 160. And then shows a reversal. But this can be a generational long, guys. I'm serious. Like if we see a reaction here, I'm gonna get in so fucking heavy on Solana. You have no idea. Next up is all-time high. Oh, you're not sharing your screen. Okay. Oh, sorry. So I'm saying is that we are looking at Solana coming down to the 50% region. I'm looking at 55 and 141. And that's the region that I would expect Solana to retrace. I had this drawn up on the chart for a while now. I want to look at it come down, higher high, and then move on. It's potentially a new, it's potentially heading to new all-time highs. This level down here is very interesting as well, 159, 160. This is the level that I'd be starting to look for a reversal. It has to come back 50, guys. It has to come down to 160 level, and I think it will come down. That's another 5-6% drop, which is easy. It can happen on New York Open. And when that happens, I will look for a long position on Sol. For spot, I'm gonna load up either way. Got the screen, guys. Okay, let's look at the tokens. Hi from Koh Samui. I've been to Koh Samui. I remember that when I stayed in Koh Samui with my beautiful partner, we stayed at a villa that had, I was making videos. We were making videos in exchange for accommodation, and we stayed at a villa that had a 65 square meter pool, which was almost double the size of our apartment in Copenhagen. It was absolutely insane. We were like mind blown. 2017, 18. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna just keep going without the chat. Sorry, guys. If we go under 60, what are your top 3 picks on this? I don't really have top. You wanna look at 𝗕, for example. I didn't close my 𝗕 position, but because I didn't have to. It is building up liquidity now, so it probably is gonna drop. But I didn't have to close it because 𝗕 is just so fucking strong. So 𝗕 is definitely a great idea. Let's look at GALA. It's probably going to take liquidity. Probably going to take liquidity. Just a sweep, but you want to see a higher high form. So you want to see something like this. Bam. You want to see this. Again, we're waiting. Everything what we're going to look for now, we are waiting for that New York Open and see how it goes. Technically, it should not go below here, by the way. Technically, GALA should not go below 5 cents. However, it can come all the way down to like 45 and still be extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. KASPA. Very good. I mean, KASPA is building up liquidity for that OB down there. I'm pretty sure there is an order block here. Look at this. This is the beginning of the inefficiency. This is the level that caused the pump. This here. This here, this here. This here. Or this here. These are the 2 levels for reversal on KASPA, and it's literally building up liquidity for those levels. Oh, it did actually hit those levels. And it should look at this. It hit the level. It hit the level that I marked beautifully, almost perfectly hit the level, and then showed a market structure shift. Look at it. Retrace 50, consolidates. KASPA can rip from here. The only problem is that it is building up liquidity, but it can rip from here. I don't think we're gonna go lower than 12 cents. I don't think we're gonna go. It can literally rip from here. It is building up liquidity, so wait a little bit. But KASPA is definitely a buy. Definitely a buy. Definitely a buy. Let's wait for how New York opens. Guys, if you are watching on Twitter, please come to YouTube. And if you're watching on YouTube, we have 140 people watching and only 100 likes. Please smash that like button. It's literally like this for you. And it helps so much to the channel. I bring my time, effort, energy, whatever here. I really do appreciate it if you could just smash that like button. It takes no effort for you, but it really does help me. So let's look at this perfect 4-pointer structure. Low, high, higher low, higher high. Retrace, moon. Near is good. Near should not go below here. Should not go below here. Should not go below 6.3. Again, we will see where we go. I think we need to have a relief rally, even if we dump. I think we need to have a relief rally, but near is also something. I have an alert in here. I don't think we will go below 6.33. Could be a very great buy. Massive liquidity built up, and it is ready for. So it is ready for a new high. I think we took this. We really reclaimed this very important OB up here with ease. Retrace 50, made a new high up here. Retrace 50, near is a very strong player in my opinion. It can be a very strong. And the pump is gonna be tremendous. It's gonna go like fucking parabolic. And look at the liquidity it's building up. I think it's literally gonna go like fucking crazy. We're looking at 9-ish plus. So that's definitely something I'll be looking at. So I'm saying I think RUNE will stop pumping. Yeah, RUNE. We had a bounce here, so that was a decent bounce, 5-6%. We took this high, but obviously, unfortunately, we also talked about this. Watch back the shows. We also talked about this, and I said that there was no 50% retrace. So you want to see the 50% retrace, and it did happen now. So that's something to consider there. So I'm saying COTI. Oof. Taking a hit high. In case of like something like this, I would want to look for a higher high. on the at least the 1 hour chart. But if you close above here, you want to see if you close above. The problem is so much inefficiencies. So like the problem, even if it makes a high, it can just come for the inefficiencies. I would not be confident longing this. If you long, make sure that you mark the main levels. So like, for example, here, this is the 1 hour OB. Probably it has to break above there to confirm the reversal. If you see a 5-minute market structure shift, that's nothing. That's not that relevant. All right, we got so many requests. I've got my cuz bringing stuff here. I want to, before I move on, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. Let's talk about 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢, guys. We have to. We cannot not talk about 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢. The ticker is 𝗕𝗘𝗙. I invested in this meme coin. I told you I have invested. I'm not selling till at least a couple of 100 million. I think this is like they also came up with something today. Look. They had a show today. I saw it. Yeah, look at this. Yeah.
Breaking news. Elon Musk announces a system purge of bots and trolls is underway on X.
They're literally covering real news, real life events.
Responsible and bringing the full force of the law to bear upon them. Elon, welcome to the show. Could I just ask, please, what impact do you think this removal of bots and trolls will have for the users of X?
Well, 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢, it will give our users a much more accurate reflection on the popularity of some of their favorite influencers. Just to give one example, we have already seen 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙𝗦 follower count is down to just 98 followers from over 300,000 before the purge.
Okay, anyway, you can look at it. 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢, the ticker is 𝗕𝗘𝗙. I like it. I'm a holder. I invested, but you know, do your own research. I just wanted to before I round up, I want to 𝗕𝗘𝗙𝗢𝗙. Before this is gonna be a short show. I told you guys I have to go, but I have to record. I had to record content. This is why I came a little bit late, and I have to go to a management meeting. This is why I'm gonna go a little bit early. But next week shows are gonna be hectic. I'm gonna go to Dubai with my fam. I'm gonna take some time off. The week after, it's a token 2049 week. I'm gonna do my best, but it's not gonna be the regular time slot that we have now. I'm gonna try my best to come live. I'm gonna try my best to update you on Twitter. It's mostly gonna be shorts. Maybe it's not gonna be live. Maybe it's not gonna be professional as it is now. I bought like this viral Let's Go thing so I can put this up. I don't have to carry the whole thing. So maybe I will be able to do lives, but I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. I will update you. Definitely not gonna leave you hanging, but it's not gonna be as regular as we have it here, and it's not gonna be in this time. Just so you know, it's it happens sometimes in a week, or what is it, in a year, and this is one of those times, so have to bear in mind that. But just to give you again a summary on what you should look for. If Bitcoin starts dumping on New York, be happy, applaud, because that means we have a chance for a reversal at 65,770. If we don't dump, but we start taking liquidity, get out of your positions. Get out of your positions, especially if you don't close above here. So if we start doing this, the same scenario as I explained yesterday, if you close below a 5 or 15 minute point market, strong level, get out of your positions because 58,000 is incoming. 60 to 58,000 is incoming. So that's that. If we dump first, which I think is going to happen, I think this is the most likely scenario, is that we are going to see a dump happen. And if the dump happens, 65,770 is a perfect place for reversal. 77. So 65,777. Perfect place for a reversal. If you see a reversal happening here, get in on a long position. Get in because this can be generational long. And then you can look for reversals on other coins as well. I like Sol, I like RUNE. I also like SUI. It's a little bit too deep, but I also like SUI. I like 𝗕𝗏, how 𝗕𝗏 shows tremendous strength. And you can look at all the other coins that we have discussed. Look back on the video and take that. Guys, let me just bring this up. I'm saying Alpha Nitro Bunny in the house. Will there be weekend stream? I don't think so, but maybe. We have to see. I still have to shop. I can't even tell you. I'm going to probably spend the night here again. So many things. Can I make a YouTube profile for you? I don't know what that means, but if you're a designer, definitely. Send me a DM. we can do that. Send me a DM. Send me a DM on Twitter. If you can't, just comment on my post that you are the one who talked about this, and then we hook it up. Pop it up. Guys, thank you so much for watching, for being here, for liking, for subscribing, for doing all that stuff. I genuinely, truly appreciate you. I forgot one thing which was very, very important, and that is the content of this video is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Guys, thank you so much. Truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks for understanding. Thanks for being here, supporting here, you know, doing all that stuff. I am genuinely excited for where we're going. I actually caught myself, but now that Dubai came in and I want to spend time with my family, I had to pre-record everything for 2 weeks in advance, a lot of things, but when we're back, it's gonna be absolutely insane, guys. You have no idea how insane it is going to be. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next one.